Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. And if you're here because you're diving in the world of making money online, you're in for a treat. Today we'll talk about warriorplus.com, so buckle up and let's get started. But before we jump in, allow me to introduce myself. If you're here for the first time, my name is Felix, and if you're researching how to make money online without failing for scams or wasting your time and money, you're in the right place. So, warriorplus.com emerged in 2006 as an affiliate marketing platform catering to digital product creators and affiliate marketers. It's a marketplace bustling with various digital products, from software and ebooks to online courses and more. Now, let's talk about some potential of Warrior Plus. As an affiliate marketer on warriorplus.com, the sky is the limit. Commissions can range from 50 to 100% on certain products, offering a lucrative opportunity to boost your earnings. Getting paid is crucial, right? warriorplus.com ensures timely payouts with exclusive Warrior Plus wallet. So you can gain instant access to your earnings, enabling quick and easy withdrawals. One of the key aspects of any platform is customer service, and warriorplus.com boasts a responsive support team ready to assist both vendors and affiliates with any inquiries or issues they may encounter. Now, let's talk about pros and cons of warriorplus.com. On the positive side, it offers a vast array of digital products, high commission rates, and supportive community. However, some users have reported occasional product quality issues and saturations in certain niches, and therefore, in their frustrations, claim warriorplus.com to be a scam. So, is warriorplus.com a scam? Well, rest assured, it's a legitimate platform. However, like any marketplace, it is essential to do your due diligence and choose products wisely. So, if you're new to affiliate marketing or looking to enhance your skills, I've got you covered. Check out my free training series on my favorite strategy, which could allow you to earn $5,000 to $10,000 per month. The link is going to be in the video description and pinned comments. The training is completely free. Just learn and apply. Click on the link and enter the information of where you want it to be sent to, and I'll send it to you immediately. In conclusion, warriorplus.com can be a valuable asset in your affiliate marketing arsenal. With its diverse product offerings, potential for high earnings, and solid customer support, it's worth exploring for new and seasoned affiliate marketers. So, thank you for watching this review. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos like this. And until then, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video review. Bye-bye.